Hey friends, so today we're going to talk about word problems. We have been practicing word problems in the classroom. And so today, what you guys are going to do is practice one with me, and then you're going to do some on your own. So let's do this first one together. Here's an example. Now you guys have your examples on your slides, but if you're realizing, I don't really like showing my work on my slides, you can have an adult write it on a separate sheet of paper for you, and you can show your work on paper instead. Okay, so here's a word problem. Lily is my daughter, so this problem is about her. Lily has 20 toys. She gets 12 more. How many toys does she have now? Now we learned to circle the important information, important numbers. Lily has 20 toys. She gets 12 more. I'm going to underline more. More tells us to add. How many toys does she have now? That tells me I'm going to write 20 plus 12. Now I'm going to use my number line. 20 goes here, and I'm going to add 12. 12 is a 10 and 2 ones. 10 jump plus 10, whoopsies, and 2 1 jumps, 1 2. So I have 20 plus 10, 30, 31, 32. 32 is my answer. Lily has 32 toys. So you guys can use your scribble tool to show your jumps, and you can type in your answer, or you can show your work on a separate sheet of paper. Another strategy, if you're really feeling like, this is really tricky to do a 10 jump and 2 1 jumps, you can go ahead and do 12 1 jumps. But that's going to get really tricky when we have to add numbers like 35, 45. That's going to be hard to do a whole bunch of little baby jumps. So we definitely want to try to do some 10 jumps and 1 jumps. Okay, have fun. Talk to you soon. Bye.